How's it going, peoples? So, been using this deck. It's okay. I don't even know what to say at this point. Let's see if we can get a crown chest, I guess. That's gonna do a lot, considering the deck I have anyway. That was well played, but I don't understand, how did he get his Inferno already? That was fast. Like, dang. Tesla and those goblins are not gonna do anything at all. Put down Furnace, I'll put down a Giant, and then maybe... I have no idea. Hopefully he doesn't put his Inferno. Let's do this. Take out the Musketeer. I can't really do anything else. That was pretty good, I guess. Come at me. No! Went after the Giant again. What else would I expect? Piece of crap. I hate you. No. Mini P.E.K.K.A. Stay away. This battle is so stupid. This isn't even a battle. This is just retarded. This is all I'm going to be able to do if I'm going to win. Take him out, please. Thank you. I just need to defend now. Defend it, please. I don't want to lose. Dude, that guy's Inferno screwed me up so bad. That was stupid. So that obviously did not work well. Let's try that, I guess. Hopefully that'll work. Fine. Chip damage. He's not gonna do anything. Well, isn't that great? Good time. Yes, good time. Dang it. That giant's gonna do quite a bit, and already made so many mistakes. This is already awful. Yay. Good game, I guess. This is all I can do. I should have put my Tesla in a different spot. I just realized that. Dang it. And I don't want to keep... I hate this. I'm gonna save the rocket for the barbarians. Hopefully that's what he's gonna drop. Dang it. Take that out, please. Take that out, or you're gonna be lazy. I swear to God. Are you serious right now? You are so dumb. This is unreal. Why are you so stupid? Get a hit. Or not. This is whatever. Good game, faggot. Ah, I hate this game so much. This guy has freaking what? Like the lumberjack, then just overall high level cards. This is just ridiculous. Whatever. I hate this game with the guts. Just try this. If this doesn't work, I give up. Whatever. Whatever. Hog Rider, which... Okay, I was gonna wonder if he was gonna defend that. I actually wasn't sure. Yeah, well, that thing's dead. That's gonna do a lot, because the lumberjack is OP. Do the lumberjack, please. No lumberjack, are you serious? Dude, that would have been a perfect time for my rocket. Are you serious right now? Rocket. Hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him. Please, I swear, if you don't hit them, I am done. Okay, you missed one. That's not that bad. That'll finish her off, I think. Or not. This is dumb. Every single dang deck is just ridiculous. If I need to get some kind of hits with this. You hit all of them, nice. Thank God. Well, it looks like I'm dead now. Isn't that lovely? Are you serious right now? So stupid. Please kill it. Thank you. Get hits, get hits, get hits, get hits, get hits. You piece of shit. Keep going. We can get this, we can get this. Yes! Oh! Hopefully enjoy. Probably not. Whatever. I hate this game. I don't hate this game. I hate the people who play it. It's ridiculous.